Unlocking vocabulary. The power of surrounding sentences. Hello, avid learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most practical strategies to decipher unfamiliar words when preparing for the GMAT and GRE. Using surrounding sentences for additional clues. By mastering this strategy, you can boost your comprehension and make educated guesses about word meanings, even if you've never seen them before. Often, when we encounter an unfamiliar word, our instinct might be to look it up immediately. But in tests like the GMAT or GRE, time is of the essence. The good news? The context in which a word is used can provide valuable clues about its meaning. Context clues are hints or cues in the surrounding text that help us infer the meaning of an unfamiliar word. These clues can be found in the same sentence or, as we'll focus on today, in surrounding sentences. Let's explore some common types of context clues that can be found in surrounding sentences. 1. Definition clues. Sometimes, an unfamiliar word's definition or explanation might be provided in a subsequent or preceding sentence. Look for words like is, means, refers to, or that is. Example: the professor gave a lecture on epistemology. It is the study of knowledge and how we come to know things. 2. Example clues. The author might provide examples that give insights into what the unfamiliar word means. Example: many people love aquatic sports. For instance, surfing, swimming, and diving are quite popular. 3. Antonym, opposite, clues. The surrounding sentences might contain a word that has the opposite meaning of the unfamiliar word. Example: unlike his verbose colleague who went on and on, Jake was concise in his explanation. 4. Synonym, similar, clues. Sometimes, the surrounding sentences might have a word that means the same or almost the same as the unfamiliar word. Example: the scenery was absolutely resplendent. The beauty and magnificence left everyone in awe. Remember, the context in which a word appears can greatly influence its meaning. The same word can have different meanings in different contexts. 1. Read actively. Pay close attention to the overall topic or main idea of the passage. This can guide your understanding of specific words. 2. Question the word. Ask yourself, what kind of word is this? A noun, verb, adjective? Knowing the part of speech can guide you towards the correct meaning. 3. Eliminate unlikely meanings. If you're familiar with multiple meanings of a word, use the context to rule out meanings that don't fit. 4. Practice regularly. The more you expose yourself to varied texts and practice identifying context clues, the sharper your skills will become. There you have it. By harnessing the power of surrounding sentences, you can unlock the meanings of unfamiliar words, boosting your comprehension and test performance. Remember, every piece of text holds clues, and it's up to you to be the detective. We hope this video has shed light on how to make the most of context clues. Keep practicing, and happy studying!